As we talked about yesterday, we are celebrating President's Day this week, as well as Valentine's Day and the 100 Days of School. We have a lot of things to celebrate. But for your reading today, we're going to read a reading passage, and then you guys are going to work on writing out for me what you learned about the president, okay? So this passage, I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. However, if I have anybody that wants to read on their own, go ahead and skip this part until you see this slide pop up, okay? What does the president do? The president is the leader of our country. He does, okay, I'm going to stop really quickly. Go ahead, you are allowed to read with me, okay? I know it feels funny. You're at home, you're sitting in front of your Chromebook, but if you did not skip through this, then I want you to try to read with me. He does many things to help us. He signs the laws of our country. Laws are rules. He signs laws about how to run our schools. He meets with other leaders. They try to solve problems in the world. This leader is from another country. He leads our armed forces. They help keep our country safe. He flies on his own plane. It's called the Air Force One. It has places for the president to work, eat, and sleep. So now we are going to do a little bit of a writing activity. So you need to grab a scrap piece of paper. And when I say a scrap piece of paper, I don't care if something has if it's a piece of paper and there's something on the back of it and you turn it over and it's a blank side, that's perfectly fine, okay? And if you need paper for these assignments, please let me know and I'll send home some paper, okay? So on a scrap piece of paper, you're going to write down what the president does. So you're going to do this writing assignment in about 2 to 3 sentences, okay? So a sentence would mean a complete sentence that has a capitalization at the beginning and punctuation at the end and words that we try to tap out and spell. So you're going to try your best to write for me what the president does. So go back and look at your story or go back and rewind this video to hear what I said about what the president does. So you're going to write 2 to 3 sentences to tell me about that. And when you're done with your sentences, you can go ahead and put that piece of paper in your red folder and give it to me.